Welcome to another episode on my Raspberry Pi 2 Model B Plus connected to an HDMI monitor and stacked with RaspberryPi Plus board and as such connected to with the serial cable to Minicom serial monitor connected also by Ethernet to VNC, virtual network computing, and a band cable to this breadboard full of electronics. Well, not really full, but some electronics. And fischertechnik, LED, phototransistor, motor, and some more electronics. So far things are not looking nice. In my first experiments I have dealt with Python. That became a road to nowhere because despite having successfully created packages, messages were not recognized. They were there, every check pointed out that everything was there. Just when using them, applying them, went completely wrong. So after a long time of trying out to solve it, I decided to change from Python into C++. That happened also to be the language with which I experimented with ROS, the robot operating system, since that is what the whole experiment is about. And there it, since recently, goes wrong as well. First of all, everything worked, and then suddenly things didn't go. Last time I ended with completely being unable to run the subscriber, and ROS runs with one roscore, at least one publisher and at least one subscriber. So roscore needed suddenly some help to run. After that, the publisher runs nicely, and for some reason the subscriber says I'm not going to cooperate. So while looking at all this electronics, all nice, but it won't work, not yet on C++. So let's go find out, hopefully, why that is. Alright, now let's try to accomplish something. First, I need to have roscore running. Oh, and I can do that just like that. At least that's the idea, but last time this became a big problem. And it still is. So, doing the same thing over and over. First, I seem to have to export ROS IP. The point was that I'm getting this, and it says export ROS IP. And I seem also to need to do something else, but this is the most important. So I did that before, and yep, it does. And then something else is needed, although I can see step by step. Alright, this works, apparently. So, new step, new tab. I now want to run roscore, but I first have to go here, then source, development setup bash. That's good. Pause run. Alright. Up. Go. Roscore runs. Publisher runs. What's new? Actually, this is so. Right? And now the subscriber. This gave, oh yeah, right. So, how about ROS IP not working? Okay, so export ROS IP is and then echo ROS IP is correct. Now once again, and this doesn't help, just like last time. So now if this is the same thing, what I doubt, and this is a strange thing, they say for each computer set the IP address. However, this is not even the same, not about the same computer. This is the same computer but different terminal. Okay, so no. And that's it. Same number. Alright. Then further. And here they say list the IP address of each computer along with the hostname in the etc host file. Now here they say export ROS master URI. Well, I didn't do that, but it caught up immediately. So let me check the etc host. Right, it says it's not there. Only an IP6 address. Let me change that one. So and well, let me just add it here. And this is dangerous because this assumes that it has a fixed address. So this could be potentially harmful. what I can do is say, okay, what is the hostname anyway? That will be probably, yes, Ubuntu, okay. Not the smartest name, but okay, let's just do it. It cannot even resolve the hostname. But let's now do this. Really? So all it needed was the hostname, which was, well, actually this solution. But this works. So let's open another one and source everything then. And now scroll back to history to do ROS topic. Yeah. Okay, so I can state that this problem has been resolved for now. I can go back to whatever I was doing before this problem happened, which is the private messages, the modified messages. So let's go there. So how does using messages go in C++? According to info, you say and include. Oh, wait a minute, that's not correct, because, well, basically it is correct because that is the way you can include a header file like string, but the point is this is not string. I am now talking about message file. So let me go here. Where do I go? Ouch. That is true. I have no messages yet, because here I do. See, here are messages. In the new, I don't have them yet. So this is going to be somewhat difficult. At least it may be difficult. So now I've created the messages directory, subdirectory. And now what I have to do is copy let's see if this is going to work out. No. So if alright, this copies every message from RaspberryPi message into the current directory. Yes, it has. So how do I add them? Well, that's a bit of a problem, because right here they say, okay, this is a message put into a namespace, and this is a namespace. I'm fine with that. But this is a standard message which comes with ROS. This is not something that I did myself. So let's find out some more, because just adding them, well, I can add them. I can try, knowingly that it won't work. So, no, not here, I have to be here. So I say, alright, include, let's see, RaspberryPi message, I don't care. On the other hand, this is standard message, which is a standard directory. So if I find that one, see, oops. Yeah. Right, but anyway, I need to find out how to get a custom message in here. Well, it may be easier than I thought. First of all, it says that I simply have to put an MSG file in the MSG directory and then build the system. Well, I have copied all the messages, but I haven't yet built the system. So, what to do is build the system and see if indeed everything will work then. And that's a challenge. In the meantime, I can tell that I started VNC with two desktops. This is 2 and this is 1, and you may have noticed the very large camera view because I'm running in a higher resolution. And then it's done. So the question is, what is done and how? I am now very curious. Alright, because I have not included the messages yet. Well, but it also says you will need to add the custom messages defined in a different package. No, I am using the custom message defined in this same package, not in a different one. So that is going to be a bit different. And how to deal with this? Everything was built okay. Oh wait, I'm going back and then vi package XML, and then actually has something changed here? Nothing at all, as expected. Okay, so what to do then? Well, let me just run it Yeah, yeah, and alright. So basically, it knows. Oh wait. What has it done exactly? How many messages did it generate? Robot Pi? No, Robot Pi new. So did I screw up or what? Not quite sure now. Okay, what does it say for the rest? If you are building C++ nodes which use your new messages, you will also declare dependency between your node and your message as described in. Okay, then I will have to use this. One other thing shows that in the custom message they say header, and I certainly haven't done that in my messages, and then they come with a header file in the include. If that is necessary, then I certainly have to add stuff. For instance, to a RaspberryPi message, to say header, and that's the first one. And then I have, for instance, FT sensor, exactly the same. So we get header and header. For instance, FT motor, even worse. So let's say header and header. How much to go? Well, oh yeah, photo transistor might be nice. And then it's always hopeful to see if something indeed does what it should do. Anyway, that's it. However, now what do I have to do next? The package to the manifest of my code, depend package. Yeah, I didn't do that yet, I think. However, my custom message package is the package that I am using right now. What I haven't done is this. But alright, let's see. Let's go one back. Then we have package. I did this before. Coming right here. And they say, alright, that is in depend package. There's no depend package here. Wait, is it in the make list? No, C make list. Could just be. No, really. No. Okay, this is strange. So where is it? Where is the depend package? And then I think it's a problem because I have the ideas given the date that this is a different version once again of the package that I'm using. So this is once again an ouch. How should I do that? And this is where it went very wrong when I used Python in the end. Also different versions. So yeah, how to go on? Alright, let's do something right here. So let's include, although include still doesn't have a header file, they have to be generated. So let me now say robot underscore pi underscore new, and we can say robot underscore pi dot h. That would be it. Unknown mark. What's unknown mark? Oh, no, that's not it. What is the unknown mark, if I may ask? Well, there's nothing wrong apparently. Okay. But I will have to do that. So let's quit this. Go back. One more cat can make. Oops. No such file directory. Yeah, I could have expected. I certainly could have expected this. And there's no way that I'm going to fix that now. So what I have to do is this fixation and compile again. And the rest is for next time. Alright, so let's anyway run this one. Then, not here but here, run this and run this one. At least this works. And that's all I can say. A lot to do. Alright, so that is the end of these attempts. For now. Yeah, well, next time better, I hope. I hope I solve it. I will. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this episode and video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give the video a thumbs up, like it. Leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Instagram, please like it, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitter, please retweet, like it, leave a comment. You can also show your appreciation and support by making a small donation. And you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned either on my website or on my website as well as in my video, depending on the pledge you make. And this is going to be continued. Thank you for watching.